Hi everybody, a very good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Pathak from Pathak Dental Clinic, and in this video we're going to talk about basal bone implant, a case that we did last week. So it so happened that a patient by name Apurva Ambika, she came to our clinic complaining about her bridge coming out more frequently, complaining about that she had several missing teeth and she was unable to bite and chew, and due to which she had several GIT issues, and she was not that happy, and she wanted immediate help and immediate to start her normal diet. And then as a dentist, we need to always understand one thing, that we need to give options to our patients. So I gave her an option of cast partial denture. I told her about the removable prosthesis RPD, about conventional implants, because giving back bridge was not possible, direct FPDs was not possible, fixed partial denture was not possible in her case because she had no posterior tooth. So we gave an option of conventional implants, all on four. We told her about that, and then we told her about implant supported prosthesis, and then we told her about basal bone implant, a procedure that takes 2 days to deliver you amazing 24 teeth within 48 hours. And she was very much okay with it, and she wanted to do more research on basal bone. She wanted to know about basal bone, so she just went off and asked me to give her some time for understanding about this concept of treatment, and she took some time to understand what is actually basal bone implant. And last week I got her call, and she was like very much into it, that she wanted to go for basal bone implant rather than conventional implant, because she was like, I do not want to wait for another 3 months. Then when you take medication, and when she took the medication, she was all good. So she came and we started the procedure on Friday at 10:30. We extracted all her tooth that was been present, removed all her bridge. We used curettage, completely removed all the granulation infected tissue out of that, and then we started inserting implants. We first initially inserted the pterygoid implants in the posterior region, and then the anterior implants. All the implants were basal bone implants and XT implants. We inserted almost 10 implants in the upper jaw, and after extracting all the tooth in the lower jaw, we inserted almost 8 implants. We inserted 8 implants in the lower jaw accordingly, and then we took an impression, and we sent it to the lab, and after that we asked the patient to rest for that day so that she can be more comfortable, asked her to go for liquid diet and take all the medication, and she was very comfortable. We took her follow-up for in the evening, and she was very comfortable. There was no swelling that was being noticed and no pain at all. And the next day we started the trying procedure, whereby a deep trying was being done in the patient to manage the occlusion and fitting of the prosthesis. And after doing the trying, that took another, I guess, 2 to 3 hours for us to make the prosthesis fit, and then do the trying procedure accordingly. And then after that we asked the patient to come around 8:30 in the night so that we can deliver her the final prosthesis. And finally we delivered her we delivered her the teeth she always wanted, the prosthesis, at 8:30, 9 o'clock. She was very happy, and the video, she has given her video testimonial, and let me tell you all people that she was very happy, and it makes us more happy, because when a patient becomes happy, you may not understand, but it's really one of the most happiest thing that happens to your doctor, and we feel so proud of ourselves to deliver such treatment in our clinic. And it's a request to all the people out there, do not compare treatments, and do not let dentists talk about this. Today the field is about, like, today's the world is all about situational implantology. Let me tell you all people, it's about the situation, the management, how you do it. Sometimes you may not have the amount of the bone that is required for conventional implants, and the doctors may suggest you about other options. But rather than going for that, I'll always say patient that go for basal bone implant, and it's very easy procedure. It's very economical when compared to other mode of option or mode of treatment that is available for full mouth treatment or rehabilitation. Don't be afraid. Don't be like the treatment may fail. We guarantee you for 30 years, and believe me, the treatment is very easy, very comfortable. There is no pain at all, no swelling at all, and we are there to take care of you. And if you have any such issues, and if you want to know more about distal bone implant, you can call us, you can visit our website. And in case if you want to talk personally, you can call me on my personal number, WhatsApp me on my personal number, and for any details, feel free to contact us. And believe me, it's very comfortable. The procedure is very comfortable, and we can rely on this. And thank you so much for watching this video, for watching our giving us constant support, and helping us to achieve what we are doing right now. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
काय त्रास होता त्रास म्हणजे माझे बरेचसे दात खराब झाले होते, त्यामुळे एक एक करत बरेच दात पडले. डाळ्या तर अजिबातच नव्हत्या, त्यामुळे खायला खूप प्रॉब्लेम येत होता. त्यामुळे तब्येत पण माझी खूप बिघडत चालली होती. कॅल्शियम आणि व्हिटॅमिन डेफिशियन्सी जेवढा नॅचरली होता तेवढा झाला, पण मी मनाची तयारी केली होती, त्यामुळे कमी झाला.
किती दिवस लागले?
2 दिवसात.
2 दिवसात झालं. कसं वाटतंय?
खूप छान वाटतं. खूप छान वाटतंय आता या क्षणात.
काय दुखलं, काय त्रास झालं, काय सूज आली तुम्हाला? जे आली असेल ते एकदम हे सांगा, फ्रँकली सांगा, काही हरकत नाही. ओके.
जबडा इथं घालणं खूप दुखलं मला.
ओके.
अजूनही दुखतोय. कंपॅरेटिव्हली औषधं घेत गेलं, कंपॅरेटिव्हली त्रास खूप कमी झाला. बर्फाने शेकलो आणि आईस्क्रीम खाल्लं, त्यामुळे रक्त लगेच थांबलं काल मला. दुपारी गेले.
ओव्हरऑल एक्सपिरियन्स कसा होता?
ओव्हरऑल एक्सपिरियन्स खूप छान होता. म्हणजे मला अजिबात टेन्शन नव्हतं. सरांनी पहिल्यांदाच हसून स्वागत केल्यामुळे आणि कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल जास्त वाढवल्यामुळे त्रास नाही झाला. आणि फ्युचर माझे काही प्लॅन्स आहेत, त्यामुळे मी मनाची खूप तयारी केली होती. दात चांगले पाहिजेतच.
मग ह्या ट्रीटमेंट बद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटतं? बेसिक म्हणून
100% खूप छान ट्रीटमेंट. सगळ्यांनी खूप छान सहकार्य केलं. अगदी मावशींनी म्हणजे मला अजिबात, म्हणजे मी घरातनं फक्त इथे आले एवढं, घरातच आहे असं वाटलं मला. अजिबात फरक नाही वाटलं इथे, आणि कुठलंही टेन्शन नाही आलं मला. नाहीतर दवाखान्याचं जे टेन्शन असतं ते वास आणि काहीही नाही वाटलं.
आणि पाठक डेंटल क्लिनिकमध्ये कसं वाटतं तुम्हाला?
आता मी माउथ पब्लिसिटी खूप करणार आहे.
So sweet होतं, so sweet होतं.
सगळ्यांना सांगणार मी, खूप छान आहे म्हणून.
So nice. त्यांना बिस्किट द्या खायला. लेट सी हाऊ शी इज. खायलाच पाहिजे ते.
बिस्किट खायचं 2 साईज
खाऊन बघा बिस्किट. काय आपण पहिलं हे करूया जरा.
नॅचरली खातो, मी तो बिंदास खातो.
नॉर्मली खातात ना, जेवतात तसंच काय करून खायचं. अजून एक बिस्किट खायचं तुम्हाला? नाही खायचं अजून तुम्हाला.
या साईडने पण आमचं. तुकडा तोडणे प्रक्रिया मी खूप दिवसांनी करते. कारण वरती ब्रिज होता, इकडे दडा नव्हत्या, त्यामुळे छोटे छोटे तुकडे नांगण्यासारखे करून खात होते बरेच वर्ष.
जिथे जेवता येते तोडता येते त्याला आता व्यवस्थित. गुड. 2 दिवसात
ग्रेट एक्सपिरियन्स. थँक्यू.
पण त्यांचं कॉपरेशन खूप चांगलं होतं. टू बी व्हेरी फ्रँक, एवढं कॉपरेटिव्ह पेशंट, एवढं छान ते बसले, एवढं मस्त हे केलं त्यांनी. खूप 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 खूप. काही पाणी द्या प्यायला त्यांनी. आणलंय का?
पाणी आहे.
लागली का?
नाही
थोडंसं द्या.
हो, बस. अजून आपलं इथं हे संपलं नाहीये. अजून तुम्हाला फॉलोअपसाठी यायचं दर महिन्याला. सगळे इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स काय असतात मी सांगतो तुम्हाला. काय खायचं, कसं हे करायचं. आणि त्याच्यानंतर दर महिन्याला फॉलोअप राहणार आहे. ठीक आहे. काही त्रास झाला ठीक आहे, अजिबात टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, घ्यायचं तुम्ही. ठीक आहे. आणि 20-30 वर्षासाठी तुम्ही निवांत राहता, दाताला काहीच होत नाही. सो डोंट वरी. किडणार नाही, दात काढायची गरज नाही, डेंचर नाही, काय नाही, काय नाही. या दाताने आपल्याला गुड ऑल द नाईस.